Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can be able to make your flash drive a bootable device so that you can use it to install your operating system on your laptops and it will be more faster than using a CD plate. Now on this video you are going to learn these tips. Make sure you stay tuned, and before I continue on this video, please try to like, comment and subscribe on our channel because we have a lot to offer to you guys. Let's go guys. Now, the first thing is for you to have a good network. Connect your phone to your network provider. Now, this is my network provider. Once I'm done with that now, I'm to launch my browser so that I can download two things. Number one is a Rufus. Rufus is an application that you can use to burn an ISO on a flash to enable you to use it as a bootable device. Now, this is it. Let me launch this. Let me launch my browser by checking on the desktop, then clicking on the browser. This is the browser I'm using. This is Firefox. I just launch it now. Now, once I have done launching it, then I'll click on the search option, which is come here, type Rufus, and then hit your enter button. Hit your enter button. Once you hit your enter button, because I have this file, this particular site already, that is why it just went straight to the site. Now I have to scroll down and see the option that I can use to download this particular software. Now let's go down and see the option. Now at this now you are seeing a lot of options now. Depend on the kind of operating system you are using. If your operating system is 64-bit, you can download this or this. But if your operating system is 32-bit operating system or your system is 32-bit system, then you can use this. Now learn how to differentiate the system that is 64-bit and the system that is 32-bit. Now on this window, I can be able to determine the type of operating system that my system can carry. Now and on the other hand, any system that can contain or that can support 64-bit can as well support 32-bit. In other words, you can say that a system that is capable of installing 64-bit can accept 32-bit, but a system that is not capable of installing 64-bit can not support the both. That is what I'm trying to say. The 64-bit system can carry the both, while the 32-bit system cannot carry the both. Now, if I'm to choose any of this, I can download this. I can just click this and download. Then, how can you check if your system is actually a 64-bit operating system? Now on this video I can decide to use this particular operating system that was installed on it. Come here and click on this search. This is Windows 10 operating system. Click on this search and type system property. You are going to see options, property. Now as you can see on this video, it will load the system property. Now the name, but we are not interested about the name, the processor. Come down to the operating system. Look at it now. Are you seeing it now? Now you are seeing 64-bit operating system and as well a 64-based processor. Now there is some system that is not 64-based of processor. This is to tell you that this system is a 64-based processor and what is installed is 64-bit operating system. Now I have assured that this system is a 64-bit system. So now I can go ahead and click on this. Then once I click on it now, it will now load and it will now go to the option of whereby you can download. Now as you can see on this video, it's downloading. Then after downloading this software, you are going to see the next step. But make sure that you subscribe, comment and like. And with this tip, you can be able to have access to installing an operating system on your laptop so fast and so easily. Keep on watching this video. Now keep on watching. Now as you can see, I have successfully downloaded this Rufus. Then I click on this box here. Once I click on it, then I will now launch it. Right click on it, then click on open. Then once you click on open, automatically you are going to see an option whereby you click on yes. Normally when you want to install an application, this is what you are going to see. Now this rufus have launched. Then on this device you are supposed to see your flash. If your flash is 12 gig, you're going to see that flash name and the size of the flash on this option here. But because I have not inserted this flash, you are not going to see it yet. Now what do I do? For me to see this flash on this rufus application, I have to insert it on my USB slot. Now let's assume now that this is your system. Then look for the USB slot and just insert your flash. Can you see it? Insert it. Can you see? Now once you insert it now, you are going to see that there is going to be a change. You are going to see the change now. Now it will come, it will update. Now it's showing me that it's 8 gig. Now the next step is for me to select my ISO image. If you don't have an ISO image, what you have to do is to go back to your browser and download them. Now what I have to do is to minimize this and then go to my browser and type which window do you want to install. Is it window 11 or window 10? Let's assume that what I want to install is window 10. I'll just type window 10 window 10 operating system or window 10 software. Then once e open like this, you can come down here, select any of this option, right click and open new tab so that you can go to the new tab and see what the site is all about, whether the site have the features of what you are looking for. Now this is the site. Now I think I'm seeing the download link for this window 10 edition. Then click on the download link. Then once it open now, you are seeing other options like window 10 64 bit. Then this one that you are seeing 22H2 means that the type of edition, they have the one of 21, that is 2021. This 22 is 2022. Now there is another thing you have seen there, which is 64 bit and 32 bit. I have explained this earlier. Now let's assume now that my system is only or mainly for 64 bit. I will just click on this, and once I click on it, I will observe that the thing will now bring option for me to download. Now make sure that you are following these processes. Now click on download. Once you click on download now, you are going to see exactly what you are looking for, which is the ISO image of Windows 10. Please make sure that you stay tuned to watch this to the end. Now as you can see now on this download option, as you can see, this operating system is being downloaded on my downloading file option. Now what I have to do is to wait until the file finish downloading. Please make sure that you stay tuned. Make sure that you stay tuned. Then once the file finish downloading now, what you have to do is just to come back, minimize it, minimize this, then come back to your rufus on your taskbar. This is where it is. Look at this. Then restore it back and then select the particular ISO you downloaded. If it's on download, you click on download. But if it's not on download, maybe you have copied to your desktop, you click on desktop, whatever it is, you can select it from that location. Now my own is on desktop. Then I have to click on desktop. This is it. And then this is the file. Then click on it and then click open. Once you click open, it will tell you that it is ready. Now come to this partition chain. If your type of system is working with UEFI, you select it. But if your system is from, let's say, all this fourth generation down, it's advisable that you select this MBR and then MBR so that it can work with that. Because most of the local system, especially those from fourth generation down, they don't have the feature of UEFI. Now after this, now the next thing you have to do is to click on start. Then with this option you click OK. Then anything that is telling you, say that is warning you that if it will continue, if you have any important file, it's going to be wiped away. So if you don't have any important file, you can click OK to continue. But if you have an important file on this flash, what you have to do is to remove it and copy it back. Then because I don't have an important file and I made this flash basically for installing an operating system, I have to click continue by clicking OK. Then click OK. Now the file will be loading. Then after the file is done, you are going to see ready. Then once it's ready, you can remove your flash and then start using it for an operating system installation. Thanks so much, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and keep on watching us for more updates.